Hello, my dear viewers. Can you hear me? All right, so everything is set up. I can hear myself, so that means you can also hear me. Yeah, so guys, this is the Dikas Copy Academy, and you are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is oh, I'm sorry, this is not the 19th of July, right? Oh my, can this go any wrong? This is showing 19th of July. All right, we can fix this. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, here we go. I think now we are ready. So this is 22nd of July 2024. The day is Monday, first trading day of this week. I'm sorry, Sandy, here it is printed 19th of July, but I have just tried to fix it. It's 22nd of July 2024. Sorry for the dates mismatch, and I'm sorry, Sandy, I could not send you the required items that I had to send. So guys, this is Rakesh, your host here. I am Lucas Copy's trading community member, just like the member of any other community where I'm trading, okay? Because I'm trading with the Lucas Copy, so I'm talking about them. You might be thinking that I'm the employee of Lucas Copy Bank, but I'm not their employee. Therefore, all the views or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss here with you are of my own. It has nothing to do with the Lucas Copy research team. They have nothing to do with me. Okay, so I'm an independent analyst and technical analyzer, but this YouTube platform is not mine. This is of Lucas Copy Bank. It's their platform that I'm using for my own analysis. Now, since as a technical analyst, I know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart. So we will refrain from talking about news events or something of that sort, which is fundamental in nature. And we'll only focus ourselves on the charts for our analysis. And in this program, we will be using the candlestick type of charts to determine the key levels for all the pairs. And we'll see how we can use those key levels into our trading setups. Now, if you're new here, you might be thinking that how we frame our trading setups. We frame it based on the daily market structure. And we try to align our 1 hour or 4 hour in the direction of the daily market structure, I mean. Now, at the end of the session, I'll be letting you know, letting you ask the questions. So please be ready with your questions if you have any. And also, you can request at any point of time about any other pair or instrument that you want to see, provided it is available on the Lucas Copies Major Forex. Lastly, before I start the stream, I must inform you that everything that I say in this live stream is only for the information or knowledge purpose. Please do not trade based on this information that I am giving you. You should do your own research before you put your money in the live markets. Yes, if you want to do more, do demo, you can do it by all means. Now, before I begin, I must take you through the standard risk disclaimer. So please understand the risk that is involved when you are trading on the forex with margin. You can pause the video here and then you can move on to the charts. Okay, right now on your screen are my charts. We are live, guys, and this is the dollar index 1-day chart based on the candlestick type bid prices. What do you see here? Boom, 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 boom. Okay, from this day of 28th of June this year to this week, or sorry, last week, 17th of July, the price was going down, 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 down. Then it started going up, 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 up. Has it broken any market structure yet? No. Video is buffering quite often. Yeah, because I have a poor internet connection. I did not want to do this webinar, but somehow I am able to manage it, but the bandwidth that I'm getting is not sufficient. So that's why the Hey there, can you hear me now? Yes, you can see me, but now can you hear me? All right, I think this is still better. My got muted. No. Yes, my actually my audio is also going to my router. That's why. So let's focus on the charts, guys. Like I was saying, that this is the daily chart of the US dollar index. The dollar has not the dollar index has not violated any recent high, so we can see that the market structure is still intact and it is downward direction. So what is the next level that we can see? 102.80 is the level that we want to see on this one. This low that the price has recently made may provide some support to the price, but I'm expecting more resistance from 104.22 area to the downside. So I'm expecting the price to go down and touch 102.80 in that coming time. So I will base my trades on this basis that US dollar is going down in the longer term. Let's go to the cable. What I am thinking about in the cable. I'm thinking about in the cable that the price is going to go higher. Why I'm thinking so? I'm thinking so because the US dollar index I am expecting to go down, although it has not started to go down, but it has reached the area of resistance. So I'm expecting the pound to react from these levels from where it is right now. This is the potential support 1.2893. When we go to the daily chart, we will come to know that the potential support is around 1.2893. It's not because of swing down, downswing, upswing pivot. It's because of the previous highs. Now we can look for the buying opportunities to a level where it is saying 1.2777. Till the time the price doesn't break that level to the downside, we can still look for the buying opportunities. Now we will start looking for selling opportunities only if the price breaks below 1.2777 on the daily time frame. What about the euro? We talked about it that the euro is also expected to rise, but since the euro is going down now, as the US dollar is say in the last 3 days, US dollar is going up. That's why you can see this price movement to the downside. This can be said pullback till 1.0805. Now, if the price breaks below 1.0805, you can say okay, the down trend has begun. But if the price reverses from anywhere above 1.0805, then the price will resume its uptrend, and the potential resistance here is expected from this channel's high. This is coming in around okay, for today it is around 1.0970, and it is decreasing day by day as we go in the future. On the downside, we have potential support at 1.0805. The potential resistance is around 1.0963. Australian dollar, it was expected to rise from here for some reason. I'm not sure what is that. Is it some rare decisions or something? It closed below this order block, and then this order block started acting as a resistance and the price fell off. Now, what is the potential support? 0.6577 is the potential support for this one. Now, if my friend Sandy remembers, then this is the level, sorry, this is the price, this is the chart that we were looking to go long in these areas. Why we were going to long these areas? Because of these highs that the price was going to trade. Look at these highs, the price was trying to trade. So that's why we were going to long this here. But no, eventually it got sold off, and now any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity in this one. Similar is the case with New Zealand dollar. It was like sell at the strength of the US dollar. US dollar gained strength for the 3 days and the price fell off. Now it has traded below this low. That means the next low is exposed. Problem here is that the next low is exposed, but we have a dynamic support for the price, which is being provided by this rising trend line. Now, till the time this trend line is not broken, you cannot expect 0.5852 to be tested. Now, again, one problem is that if this trend line breaks, then the potential target is down here, 0.5512. So, what does it mean? If the price is able to break lower, if the price is able to break lower and test these levels, then eventually it would have broken this line, which is suggesting to us that any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity with a target on the downside. Now, this area here is not only a resistance, but it is a confluence of two resistances, which is two. One is this horizontal level, which is broken and now trying to act as a resistance. Second is this rising trend line, which is broken and will try to act as a resistance. So we have multiple reasons for the sellers to jump in. Is there a market structure break in the Australian dollar? Let me check. Yeah, it was here. It was here. The market structure broke here, and that's why we said that any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity. Now, are you talking about the downside market structure? My friend, the market structure broke when the price broke 0.6724 in this one. Although we were looking for a buying opportunity here because of this bullish, you can say, breakout from the falling channel. It broke the market structure above this channel and is now selling off. All right, so the not USD CHF, it's I think a sell on the rise. It has broken this low. Now any rise should be seen as a selling opportunity, although it is looking like it is trying to close this gap, fair value gap we call it, and I think around 0.6913. Somehow on the platform it does not show the structure break. Which platform? No. You have to check the market structure break like this. Okay, I will show you. You see, when the price was making a high, then it consolidated for some time. Boom, boom. Then it made higher high, lower low. Then it made a higher high. This is called a market structure break from this one. Then it made a low. Then it made a high. Then it broke this low, and this is also a market structure break. Okay, you can call it like. Now this is not valid because the price never went there. So this is a market structure break. Yes, you can expect the price to go higher from here, even to this area at least, to get sell side. I hope you got it right. So USD CHF, I was saying that it's also like the US dollar sell on the rise. Now around 0.8913 is a potential resistance, but we have a confirmed resistance at around 0.8979. USD CAD, well, we talked about it, that if the US dollar gets stabilized, which it got, so it can break out for the USD CAD to the upside. Now, any rise in the US dollar will even push the prices further, but I'm expecting the US dollar to fall, so we can get another opportunity to go long in this market around 1.3653. USD JPY, it's also sell on the rise, just like the US dollar index. I think USD JPY is the real reason why the US dollar is falling across the board. Now this previous swing upswing pivot has been broken. The price closed below it. It has risen, but the order block is acting as a good resistance, and the price is trying to go lower. Now don't think that this can push the prices higher. Why? Because it has broken the market structure to the left side. Since it has broken the market structure to the left side, so the next low is exposed, which is 154.54 in this month. So keep an eye on that. On the upside, you should have an eye on 158.85. Till the time that is not taken out, you can look for the selling opportunities. New Zealand CAD, well, is it self-defined? Yes. Any close below 0.8201 will expose 0.808 somewhere in a nice price action worth trading. Bitcoin, did we expect 67,000? Yes. Did it close higher than that? Yes. Can we expect 71,994? Yes. So this is the clean price action. Breakout above previous high. Test this as a fresh support. Breakout above the previous high. Test it as a fresh support. Boom. So 71,994 is the next level to watch out for. What is happening with the brand? Did we say to sell it off? Yes. Is it going towards 76? Yes. What is the problem here? It has just broken this low but has not closed below this. That is the problem. Now, this is a suggestion that the price may be going up again towards 83.74 to retrace it back and then find again more sellers who can push the prices lower. Now, for some reason, say we still have almost 4 hours of trading available to us, there is a possibility that the price will break lower to 81.82 and even close there. If it is able to close the day below that, then 76.78 is not very far. Gold, very good selling opportunity in the gold. It has just broken the market structure today. Now you see this low is taken out 2391, and now if that low is taken out, I am expecting this week the price to drop to 2349. It is not an something which you cannot expect, so you can expect that this week. But yes, if you get a bounce and then you sell, I think that will be even more favorable because you will have a smaller stop loss and a bigger take profit projection. Any rise to the 2450 will expect resistance. In fact, 2483 is the all-time high, so this is going to be a great resistance in the coming time. Well, we expected the price to reach for 39,441, and today the low of the price is 39,458. Yes, tomorrow, day after, maybe next week, you can expect the price to go lower. The price has no reason to reverse from here, guys. Mind it, the price reversing from here is not at all acceptable because it did not break these lows. What are these lows? What is the low of this candle? 39456. What is the low of this candle? 39441. What is the low of this candle? 39458. So it is the highest high in these two. So I am not expecting that to go higher. Why? Because I want this liquidity to be taken before it goes higher. So even if it goes higher from here, this fair value gap should push the prices down towards 39,441. So be careful about that. Euro JPY sell on the rise right now. I think it's already at the price where you should be looking for the selling opportunity with the target of 169.99 and below that 167.33. GBP AUD rise, and rise. Yeah, did we expect this 1.9479? Yes. Did we say that there's potential resistance close above will open up this? Yeah, but it has almost achieved the target. So right now, if you want to buy it, it's not a good idea, I think. Yes, if it closes above 1.9479, yes, then it will be a good idea to buy this pair with the target of around 1.9968. CHF sell on the rise, 177.63 potential resistance. Or in New Zealand, well, this is called consolidation, classic idea of consolidation. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days of consolidation. You can expect a breakout very soon towards 1.1177 and beyond because Australian dollar is going to be, I think, a buy against the New Zealand dollar in the coming time. For some reason, if the price breaks down from here, yeah, then these same steps will be repeated like this. Okay, so keep an eye on that also. What about gas? Gas has broken the market structure on the 1 day time frame. Any low towards 2.218 should be seen as a buying opportunity, guys. Yes, this is a market structure break. So get ready for longs. That's all, guys, from my side. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me in the chat box. If no, then I would really like to wrap up this session for today. All right, guys, I hope you know about the support and the resistance levels that will be of interest in the coming hours and in the coming days. My suggestion to you is that never risk more than 1% of your entire equity on any single trade and look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. It actually gives statistics, pushes statistics in your favor, and you have to be only 30% of the time you have to be profitable to be, I mean, you have to be right 25% of the time, 30% of the time to be profitable. You can adjust your position size in such a manner that even if your stop loss gets triggered, you should not lose more than 1%. Now, with this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find it useful for you. You can leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is published. And if you are new here, please consider subscribing to this channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow at 700 GMT. Bye bye. Take care.